Hi class, welcome back to second grade. This week or today, we're composing and decomposing those three-digit numbers. We are in Module 10, Lesson 4, and on student pages in our workbooks, pages 230 to 231. Pause this video while you get out your pencils, your crayons, your sticky notes, number lines as always, your Oracle workbooks, and your math notebooks to take notes. Unpause the video when you're ready. As always, we have our learning objective and 4 tasks for you. So today we will be composing and decomposing three-digit numbers. We're going to be working with those words, pictures, and again, place value understandings. And it might sound similar to today what we did before because we did 2 digits, well now we're doing 3. So number 1, write what we're learning for the day in your journal, those red words. 2, think about what those words, 3-digit means to you. 3, discuss and tell someone at home what it means to you. And then 4, come back to your journal and then write what you talked about. Pause the video, get your work done, unpause when you're ready. We have a vocabulary, and we're going to skip through this kind of quickly because we already did this yesterday. So we have decompose, digit, represent, number name, word form, compose, place value, hundreds, tens, and ones. Those are answers right there, and you don't have to write them again because you did those yesterday. So just check and get a refresher. Pause the video to read over them, unpause when you're ready and you're ready to go. All right, so let's review really quickly. What is our process for writing those 3-digit numbers today? We're going to pick a number. We're going to mark the place values. We're going to then make a picture, expand those place values, and then match them to words. The new part for today is we're adding the hundreds, flats, and the word 100 to it, okay? So just keep that in mind. Now let's go ahead and do something together. I'm going to do the word today, and you pay attention and just follow along like always. So I'm going to write the numeral 134. I've already picked my number. Now I'm going to mark the place values, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. So I have 100, 3 tens, and 4 ones. After that, I'm going to make a picture with manipulatives. I have 1 flat, 3 rods, and then 4 unit cubes. After that, I'm going to expand those place values with the symbols. So 1 square for the flat, 3 lines for the rods, and 4 X's for the cubes, the unit cubes. After that, I'm going to then match the word to the number. So 100 is right there, 30, and 4. That is all we're doing, almost the same as yesterday. Let's go ahead and you can do it again, okay? So we're going to compose 3-digit numbers like always. So looking at this number right here, we have 1 flat, 3 rods, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 units. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put that into our expander. I've got 100, 3 rods, and 13 units. But, I have an issue right there. Remember, each place value can only go up to 9. It can only have 1 digit. Well, I have 2 digits right there, so I need to go ahead and regroup some numbers accordingly. So let me restart that really quick. I have 1 flat, 3 rods, and then 13 units. Well, 13 units, I can break that up into 3 units. So 1 flat, 3 rods, 13 units again. Well, 13 units, I can break that up, take 10 out of that to make a brand new rod. So in reality, I have 4 rods, and then left over, I have 3 units. That is all we're going to be doing today is composing those 3-digit numbers. Can you do it on your own? Let's go ahead and see. So what I want you to do right now is pause this video, grab your math notebook, number line, markers, and pencils, and we're going to do some activities together, okay? All right, class, so here we are. We are composing 3-digit numbers. We have our process steps, pick a number, place values, picture, expand, and words. And then we can do it 2 different ways. So this is going to be both redos. We're going to first start with the picture form of a number and then compose it into numerals and such, okay? So as always, we want to first make sure that we pick a number. We don't know the number just yet, so let's go ahead and mark the place values. We have our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. And we're just going to drag the number from these into these over here. So we have 1 flat, that's 100. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rods that we're using. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 units. first off, we already see an issue because we can only have one number, one digit in each place value. So this 10, we need to regroup it over. We need to get it out of there because only one digit, right? Well, if we're looking at the rods, we know that one rod is equivalent to how many units? Well, always it's 10. So let me just go ahead and make a new rod so I can get that out of the ones place. Alright, so now I'm going to say I have essentially 3 units. Oh, that was 13. I'm sorry, guys. Now I'm going to say I have 3 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rods, and a 100, okay? So let me take that number and finish out my table. 163. 163. So I've picked the number, I have my place values. I've made a picture. I'm going to extend those place values as always. So 4 is 1 rod, 1 flat, and then 6 rods, and then 3 units. And then I'm going to match the words. So 100 and 63. Awesome, awesome job. Now what I want you to do is the next one. So go ahead on a new sheet of paper, get your table ready with your hundreds chart, and that's it. Pause the video when you're ready, we'll start again. Alright class, so the next one we're going to do for the we do, I want you to go ahead and go through all the steps we just did, making your hundreds table and such, your place value table. For this numeral right here, we have 1 flat, 4 rods, and these are groups of 5 for units. Pause the video, complete all the work, and then come back to me. Alright, so let's get started. We have 1 flat, 1, 2, 3, 4 rods, 15 units. Well, I know that 10 of these units can really be regrouped into that rod right there. So now in reality, I have 5 1, 5 10s, flat, 100, then do my standard 155, so 155, expanded. Then drop over 100, 55. Awesome job. High five yourself if you got it correct. If not, go back and check and see what you did incorrectly. We're about to get ready for some things on your own. Your you do on your own today class is going to be page 230 and then page 231. Do those, take a picture and upload to your classroom. Some more you do on your own as always. I want you to compose and decompose these numerals the same way with those steps we did before. 145, 236, 786. Take a picture of your work and then upload it to our Google Classroom. And our ending question is almost the same as last time. But this time, remember, how can you compose and decompose 3-digit numbers? Can you explain those steps one more time to someone at home? If you can, high five yourself, and that's about it for today.